called You Versus Us.
But I wasn't wrong up in mind. But I wasn't wrong up in mind.
Boop, 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 boop. Okay, right. Let's quickly moving on. Let's get these young people in. Let's win some prizes. This is what it's all about. Whoever's on my screen first. Candy, hello.
Candy, oh.
I'm gonna say,
Let's do it. I'm all for a card game.
Yeah, let's do it. Okay, so Les, the first
I hate it when this happens because then if I win now,
Candy doesn't get a prize.
I know it's terrible. I'm like I'm like evil Santa, like. Do you know what I mean?
I quite like a card game, so I think I'm going to risk it and play it myself.
Okay, so you get to change the first. So we have a 6. Do you want to change the card?
Yeah, go on then. Yeah, we'll change.
So
Just to remind you, if you lose, Ash.
I know. I
get a
don't want to
4.
lose.
5.
Yes, come on.
Whoa. Oh
No.
Ash, I'm sorry.
yeah, Ash. So sorry, Rob. How are you? You're muted. What a great DJ you are.
You
There he
muted
is.
me. I saw that come up. It said the host muted me. I saw that come up earlier. Someone.
I really did. Yeah, I really did. Yeah.
Did you do that to spite me because I'm the radio DJ and you wanted to like I'd come on and then
Rob, I'm so sorry. I really did.
I think we'll go 2. Meet in the middle.
2.
So number 2, you've won yourself an Amazon Alexa Dot. Well done, Rob.
Ooh, well done, Rob.
So make sure